Hey, this is John with Crete Truck Center. Today I got a 2022 E-350. 4,500 miles only. Full manufacturer warranty. This is a super clean truck. Obviously hasn't been used much. Has a 14-foot dry van body on it. This is awesome for plumbers, electricians, service guys, delivery, expedite. Around back we got backup cameras. We have motion sensor LED lights. Aluminum folding shelves, full height walkthrough. And, that beautiful lady there does not come with the truck. And we got a side door with 2 steps. Power windows, power locks, hands-free telephone, cruise control. This baby's super clean. Any questions? Give John at Crete Truck Center. Call 715-496-0813. That's 715-496-0813.